Hey everyone, Dan here from nowherefast.everywherecool.com. In this video, Life on the Road takes us to the Yorkshire Dales and Malham Cove. Come on, let's go check it out. The Yorkshire Dales National Park is about 80 kilometers north of Manchester in northern England. It covers an area of about 2,100 square kilometers, and it's filled with lush green dales, charming rustic villages, and loads of possibilities for outdoor activities. The natural beauty and history of this park is available for exploration by walking, running, hiking, cycling, by car, and especially by motorcycle. For a lovely day trip in the Yorkshire Dales area, you could head to Malham Cove, have a nice leisurely walk through the fields, or an intense burn hike up to the top of this 12,000-year-old Ice Age waterfall. The walk is quite an easy one and only about 20 minutes each way. Be sure to bring a lead for your dog as the trail winds through some stone-walled sheep and cattle pastures. While I was doing some research on the area, I found reference to limestone caverns below the cove. They've been explored by expert cave divers. Apparently, they've only been able to map out about a mile of this underground system to date. This is Tally. Her favorite pastimes are sticks and balls, and the Malham Beck gave her a chance to get her water on. Thanks for joining us on our trip to Malham Cove. We'll see you next time. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos as we make our midlife gap year a reality. And for the rest of the story about our time in Yorkshire, check us out at nowherefast.everywherecool.com, as well as Instagram and Facebook. We look forward to your comments, and make sure to like, share, and explore our pages. Take care, and keep on traveling.